are you guys doing? This is Nimisha Bhatt. Welcome back to the Cooking Hub. So today I bring to you a recipe known as Funfetti cookies. Now this is an eggless cookie recipe that you can make at your house comfortably without an oven. So yes, this recipe is very good. You can make this for your children and you can also store it for a longer period of time. So yes, let's get started in making this beautiful, wonderful Funfetti cookies. So to make the Funfetti cookies eggless and without oven, here I've used 100 grams of butter. You can use salted or unsalted. Here I'm using slightly salted butter. I'll be using half cup of powdered sugar. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and I have some milk. So I'm not going to be using in a lot of milk. I've taken half cup of milk, but I think I'm just going to use maybe 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of milk. I have vanilla essence. I'll be using half teaspoon vanilla essence, and here I have some Funfetti or rainbow sprinklers. You can use in Funfetti, confetti, even the dotted sprinklers are okay, or you can also use choco chips in case if you don't have Funfetti. So these are my 6 ingredients for the Funfetti cookies. So one thing you have to note or you have to make sure is that the butter must be room temperature butter. Neither should it be melting nor should it be hard. So you can see the butter is nice and soft. So I'm just going to, the butter is soft. Now at this stage I'm adding in half cup of powdered sugar. So after I add in this sugar, the butter is just slowly going to mix with the sugar. So if it's harder to do it with the whisk, just take a spoon and mix it like this. You have to continuously mix it till it becomes completely white and fluffy for around 3 to 4 minutes on higher speed. So just continuing to whisk it, just whisk it, it will become nice and fluffy. So I've been whisking this and let me show you the consistency. This is how it looks like, and as you can see the color has changed as well. So it's time to get your whisk out. And now, so now into this I'm going to add in the maida or the all-purpose flour. Just add all of it inside at once, and with the spatula first I'm going to give it a gentle mix, just using the cut and fold method. Just take it all round and cut. First we want the all-purpose flour, the butter and the sugar to kind of come together. You can see this looks well and good. As we are using lots of butter, the cookies are going to be very soft and very nice. So you can see this has nicely come together. Into this, after mixing it well, I'm adding in half teaspoon of milk and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. After adding in the milk and the vanilla essence, I'm going to kind of mix it all together till it nice and comes together. The dough is just so nice and very nice and soft. I'm going to mix everything together. So just knead it and knead it well. As you can see, I've kneaded it into a dough and it has come nice and together. I've taken a plastic sheet, and on the plastic sheet I've added the cookie dough, and now I'm taking a butter paper or a parchment paper that I'm going to just add over here. You can see I've just added the dough normally. I'm just slightly going to press it and make sure it's kind of in the middle, placing the butter paper like this, and then I'm going to start rolling it. I've taken such a rolling pin, you can use any rolling pin, and I'm just going to roll it. Do not worry of any cracks, just continue rolling it. I'm going to turn it around like this and continue to keep on rolling. So you can use butter paper, you can use any plastic sheet of your choice or what is available at your house. So this is done. You can see this looks good. So today I'm going to be preparing heart-shaped cookies. So I'm using such a heart-shaped cutter. You can use any cutter of your choice. So just place like this. Let me start from here like this and press it. So similarly I'm just going to do this just near. It's time for the fun part, and that is adding the colorful sprinklers or the funfetti into the cookie. So let me show you how this is done. So just take some colorful sprinklers and just place them anywhere between the middle or the end of the heart shape and slightly press, just lightly add all the sprinklers into all the cookies. So I've added the sprinklers in the cookie, and now I'm just going to take a knife and get out all these heart shapes just like this, and I'm going to assemble this all together, roll it again and prepare the nice heart shaped cookies. So you see these sides, just get rid of them and just place it all together. So the first batch is ready, and I'm using a plate with holes. Usually I don't use this plate for anything, so I'm going to be using this plate with holes. I've not greased it with any oil or butter, and I've just placed the heart shape cookies over here. And now let me show you what I'm going to do next. So similarly I'm going to prepare this second batch. As this is a no oven recipe, I'm using this non-stick kadhai. I've added a steel stand, and I'm just going to close the lid. I'm going to switch it on medium flame. I'm going to preheat this for 5 minutes till I prepare all my. So far I've prepared these 2 plates with the funfetti cookies, as our pans are preheating. Next in, I've also kept a pressure cooker close to the pan, so I'm going to place this in the pressure cooker and this in the pan for the cookies to bake. So this pan has been preheating 5 minutes. I'm going to keep the flame on low, and I'm going to place the cookie plate. The cookie plate has been placed. I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to bake this and the next round 20 minutes on low flame. Make sure the pan is nicely preheated and on low flame for 20 minutes. If you're baking in the oven, then bake in a preheated oven for 180 degrees for around 10 to 12 minutes. So I will see you guys after 20 minutes, as this is a no oven recipe. With a knife, I'm just going to check the cookie like this. It's slightly on the softer side, so I'm just going to close the lid and bake this for around 5 to 7 minutes and recheck again. Make sure the flame is low. So this is how you can just check the cookie. Just take a knife and try to lift it up and see how it. So it has been 7 minutes. I'm just going to open the lid, and I've switched off the flame, and now I'm just going to lift the cookie. Okay, I can feel it's nice and cooked. You can see even from behind it's a nice brown color. So these cookies are done. I'm going to take them out in a plate. So some of the cookies are ready. I've taken them out in a plate, and I'm just going to let them cool down a bit. So all of this wonderful and beautiful, crispy and no eggs, no oven funfetti cookies are completely ready. You can see they look so beautiful and they are going to taste so good. You can store these cookies for over 30 days. Just store it in an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place, and you're done. You can prepare these cookies, a lot of cookies, and with this recipe I was able to prepare 16 cookies, such large heart shapes. If you're making smaller, then you can prepare over 30 cookies. So in weight, these are almost weighing 1 kg. I don't have a weighing scale, but they are almost approximating to 1 kilo or 1 kg or 1000 grams. So yes, these cookies are ready. Do make this for your children or for anyone who loves homemade cookies. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Do try this recipe and let me know how this turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.